The singing Neanderthal hypothesis posits that Neanderthals used proto-musical vocalizations, a holistic, multimodal hum system, as a neurohormonal cipher modulating oxytocin OT for altruism and vasopressin VP for aggression. Modern studies show group singing can elevate salivary OT levels, increases observed in choral contexts, though often modest and context-dependent. Kreutz, 2014, fostering bonding. While rhythmic elements may link to arousal via VP pathways, associations with a VPR1A variance in musical aptitude. Uckola et al., 2009. The debated Divya babe bone, approximately 50,000 to 60,000 years old, suggests possible intentional sound production, though hyena puncture alternatives persist. No major resolution by 2025. Genetic evidence ties AVPR1A polymorphisms, for example, RS3 microsatellite, to musicality and rhythm synchronization, with haplotypes associated in family studies P0.001 for combined aptitude scores. OT effects on social cognition remain mixed, with meta-analyses highlighting low power median approximately 12%. Quintana, 2020, many studies underpowered, requiring an greater than 300 for 80% power at small effects d equals 0.3. VP's role in aggression is clearer in rodents with human links to territoriality, but music VP connections are indirect, for example rhythmic arousal. This cipher model views music as a polyvalent switch, harmonic consonants priming OT-mediated cohesion, driving rhythm VP mobilized defense, balancing tribal altruism and intergroup vigilance. Context modulates outcomes, for example. Synchrony boosts bonding in allies with developmental roots in caregiver-infant vocal play tuning sensitivity. Archaic introgression, for example Denisovan auditory alleles, may have enhanced this substrate. Ultimately, proto-music likely served applied social neuroendocrinology, encrypting group chemistry in sound, a foundational adaptation for cooperation in harsh Pleistocene worlds.